Okay guys, this time let's try something different. I normally do a voiceover in the videos, but this time I will record at the same time. Okay, I will do a starting motor replacement. It's pretty easy. We only need to lift the gas tank and remove the side cover from the engine. The reason is because my starting motor is cheap on the tip. The teeth are cheap. So let me show you the replacement. Hopefully this one is in good condition. It's used OEM because it's better than aftermarket, but let's hope that the teeth are okay. Okay, let's check. Looks good, very good, because mine is destroyed. I will show you in a moment. This is great. Hopefully it's work. I think it's work. I think I bought it and says it works. I also checked the tooth. They are okay. The pictures. This is from eBay. So let's do the work. I will first remove the seat, then the side cover. This is plastic, and from there I can lift the tank. I will put something to hold the tank, and I have direct access to the starting motor, so it will be easy. Okay, I end up removing the whole tank, just gas and fuel pump, so it will be easier that way. I have access to the starting motor. There are only 2 bolts, 10 mils each, so I only need to remove that in order to get the starting motor. This is not the proper tool, but it will do the job. Okay, first bolt is out. Okay, we got one to go. Okay, we got second bolt out. Okay, this is ready. Let's remove the side cover now. Here you can see clearly where it's cheap. It's one whole teeth. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 maybe. Teeth are gone. They are gone. A little bit of debris, metal in here, so we have to clean that and do a oil change too. Let me push the starting motor inside. Okay, so I only have to get it from here. Okay, this is out, as you can see, but there is the cable is here. Okay, starting engine, starting motor is out. You only have to follow the cable up here. It's going to the relay, and then we are going to change that too. I also have to replace the gasket and clean all this area. You can see all the metal shavings. Okay, now let's put the new starting motor in. Let's fit the same way it gets out. On this side. Okay, let's push in. Let me show you the other view. I think from here you can see that you need to push it inside. There. Okay, now we only have to put the bolts. I will cut that part. You already see the screw out. Let's put the bolts again. Okay, starting motor is in with the new bolts. It's all good. We only need to put the cogs in here, the grain, part by part. They all need to be aligned, so this cannot work very good. Okay, this is the good part. The good thing is this is not cheap. All these bits are in great form. Let me do only a little bit of cleaning. They only got a few gasket that was liquid before, but it's all good. Okay, clean now. Let's put them together. There is. Here is it. I think this is good. Let's put the gasket. Okay. Nice. Nice gasket. This has to be perfect. So I'm going to chip again. The guides are in the cover. The guides in. Okay, there is. Okay, this is perfect. Let's bolt in. This is a woodcraft cover. The only bad thing about this is that they heat quite a lot compared to the OEM. So it kind of melt the ABS plastic from the fairings. It's closed. Now we are going to add the positive wire from the starter motor. I will follow the same route that the old starting motor is using to put this new cable in. Okay, this is the old wire. We get it from the relay. Let's remove this for a moment. Let's unplug this here. Okay, now unplug. We need to change this. Okay, we need to remove this battery in order to pass the new cable. We need to get this out. This needs to be tight so it doesn't flick when starting up. Let's put it back in position. Okay, there, good to go. I will remove the old one. Nice, it's out. Old one is out. Okay, I will put the battery. The tank, and close the fairings. That's everything. Starting motor is in good position and ready to work.